Good morning to all. Welcome back to our EVS class. Are you ready? Let us start our class. Okay. In this last class, we are discussing about what is. Do you remember that? Yes, third chapter, our food. Our food. Okay. We are discussing many kinds of food items, vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, milk, etc. And also studied food help us to grow. Food give us energy to work and play. Then food help us to fight diseases and keep us healthy. Then the different kinds of food. You read that page in 5 times. I think all of you are done. So, the 3 kinds of food you should write in a notebook. I think you are all of you wrote. Energy giving food, body building food, protective food. Am I right? 3 kinds of food items. Then in this last class we discussed in detail energy giving food. What are the examples of energy giving food? Do you remember? Yes, rice, sugar, butter, potato, etc. The energy giving food give us energy. What do you use the energy? Yes, the energy to work and play. Do you want to play? You must have energy. So, that food items give us energy to work and play. Okay. So, let's watch this video. So, food. Okay, look at these pictures. Food. Different kinds of food. Milk, meat, etc. Then food include proteins and vitamins, minerals, etc. Then the food divided into 3 groups. Types of food is energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Okay, the energy giving food give us energy to work and play. In this video, the boy is playing with the ball. That give us energy to play. These are the examples of energy giving food. Rice, wheat, potatoes, oil, butter. These are the examples of energy giving food. The next group, then move on to our next group, body building food. What do you mean by building? Build the house with bricks and cement. Build, okay. The body building food. These are the food items to help build our body, to grow our body, to strong our body. Okay, these are the food items. The examples: meat, fish, egg, cheese, beans, pulses. Examples of food items to build our body, to make strong body. These food items support to strong our body, to make us strong. Okay, what is examples of body building foods? Milk, cheese, egg, pulses, meat, fish, beans are the body building food. Okay, in this chapter we are studying 2 different words, that is pulses and cereals. Pulses. Okay, look at this picture and what is that and also how to pronounce. Okay, Pulses, these are the pulses. You look at this picture and got that meaning. Okay, these are the pulses. Pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. These are the pulses. Okay, this usually to make a curry. Okay, you know the pulses. Then next, cereals. Notice C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. That is wheat, rice, examples of cereals, and also your cornflakes is examples of cereals. These are the cereals. Okay, two different words, pulses and cereals. You got that meaning? I think all of you got that. You pictures show, their pictures shown what is I meant. Okay. The next type, protective food. First we go to the examples. Vegetables and fruits are examples of protective food. Look at this picture. Vegetables and fruits, the protective food items. The vegetables and fruits give us vitamins and minerals. Give us vitamins and minerals. The protective food item provides means give us vitamins and minerals which protect our body from diseases. The vegetables and fruits protect our body from diseases. Disease എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാ രോഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നും protect our body from diseases. Okay. Which items protect our body? Yes, vegetables and fruits protect our body from diseases, all kinds of diseases. Okay. Sometimes this may be fever or stomach pain, head pain, all items of disease that protect us from diseases and provides and give us protective food items, vegetables and fruits give us vitamins and minerals. Okay, these are the protective food items. And salt also, you know the salt also an important ingredient. Ingredients means things of our food. Okay, to include our food items, the salt include our food items, so that it help our brain to work properly. Salt help to our brain. Don't eat more salt. That's not good. The proper salt, I mean equal salt to proper growth of brain. The brain to work properly. The salt help our brain to work properly. The salt helps our brain to work properly and the work of brain. Okay. The salt help to work of brain to properly. Okay. So these are the food items of protective food items. Protective food items once more. Protective food items. It is examples of protective food items. Yes, vegetables and fruits and also salt. Okay. That give us vitamins and minerals and protect body from diseases. Okay. Then next, water. Before getting our topic, I say something. You should drink at least 7 glasses of water daily. You should drink 7 glasses of water daily. Water is precious and our body needs water to work properly. We want to water to more because water needed for our digestion of food. Yes, water help to digestion of food. Okay, and also the water help us to remove harmful materials from our body. What do you mean by harmful materials? Yes, what is harmful? Yes, that is harmful, our harmful materials. That means നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിക്ക് ആവശ്യമില്ലാത്ത കാര്യങ്ങൾ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ ആരെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു? വാട്ടർ ധാരാളം കുടിക്കുന്നത് കാരണം ഇറ്റ് ഹെൽപ്പ് us ടു റിമൂവ് ഹാർംഫുൾ മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ഫ്രം അവർ ബോഡി. ഓക്കെ, And then what is the source of water? You know, the rain is a source of water. The well, pond, river, sea, that is also the source of water. നമുക്ക് വാട്ടർ എവിടെ നിന്നൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, rain, sea, well, river, pond, okay, canals, etc. In the same cases, what is the source of food? Where we got food? We eat plants? No, we eat plants. Yes, of course, we eat plants. Yes, we eat vegetables, carrot, potato, onions, that is also plants. Tomato, that's also plants. Okay, that plants, different parts. The carrot and potato is the root part of the plant. So we eat plants. And we eat also animals. You drink milk, that's given from animals. The milk, yes, the milk obtained from animals, goat and cow. Then meat, fish, hen, chicken, that's the animals. So our food item is plants and animals. We get food both from plants and animals. That's are the food items we eat. Okay, plants and vegetables. We get most our food from plants. Am I right? More food from plants. We get fruits from plants. We get pulses. You know the pulses and cereals. Then fruits, vegetables also got from the plants. And also food items such as milk, meat, egg and yes, chicken also obtained from animals. Okay. So these are the sources of food. What is the sources of food? Where we get food. Sources of food means we get food both from plants and animals. This is the sources of food. Plants and animals is the sources of food. Okay, sources of water is rain and well, sea, canal, river, etc. നമുക്ക് വെള്ളം എവിടെ നിന്നൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ in the same case the sources of food നമുക്ക് എവിടെ നിന്നൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്? Plants and animals. Okay. Then balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Diet means daily eating food. So we include these 3 kinds of food in your balanced diet. I mean body building food, protective food and energy giving food. ഈ 3 ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസും നമ്മൾ ഡെയിലി ഡയറ്റിൽ, നമ്മുടെ ഡെയിലി ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസിൽ ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, വാട്ട് യു മീൻ ബൈ ബാലൻസ്ഡ് ഡയറ്റ്? The diet means daily food. Diet which contain all nutrients in right amount, equal amount. All nutrients means body building food, vegetables, yes, vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulse, energy giving food, all food items equally included in your balanced diet. That means called balanced diet. The diet which contain all the nutrients in right amount, equal amount. Not more fruits, not more vegetables, not more milk. That not the balanced diet. Is called balanced diet. You should equally fruits and vegetables and milk, etc. No eat more foods, lesser vegetables, not balanced diet. Okay. You drink more milk, not eat or less eat vegetables and fruits. That not balanced diet. Balanced diet means all food items equally and right amount. കറക്റ്റ് അളവിൽ എല്ലാ ന്യൂട്രിയൻസും എല്ലാ ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസും കഴിക്കുന്നതിനാണ് ബാലൻസ്ഡ് ഡയറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദ ബാലൻസ്ഡ് ഡയറ്റ് ഫോർ ഗുഡ് ഹെൽത്ത്. ഓക്കെ, your health is important. Am I right? Your health and your body is important. So you should eat balanced diet or protective food items or building bodybuilding food items and energy giving food items. All food items you equally eat. Okay, it is important to take good food. Okay, safe food and clean food. To stay healthy, it is equally important to follow good habits to eating manners and good habit. Drink more water, include all kinds of food in your diet. Okay, that's why you got strong person. Okay, strong boy or girl. So you should drink 7 glasses of water, milk, vegetables and fruits, etc. You know one thing, you drink more water, you become more beauty. Yes, you become beauty. Okay, to glamour. More water to better your glamour. Okay, so most diseases are spread through the contaminated food. What do you mean by contaminated food? Yes, it's not good food. It's a bad food. Okay, that means bad food. It is including virus or bacteria. Okay, bacteria food items is called contaminated food. So we eat contaminated food, that will become diseases. Okay, all diseases spread. All diseases spread through the contaminated food. You know one thing, the lot of people in our earth, our world, who do not get proper food. In then Africa, then India, some places, I mean Rajasthan, etc. That's more lot of people on our country and earth, world. Okay, who do not get proper food. Okay, poverty line, this old and poor peoples not get proper food, not get nutrients, mineral, vitamins, etc. So we are lucky for that. Okay, thanks to God, to that such a valuable food items. Okay, then our rewind this topic. You rewind this the food. Our chapter is food. Okay, let's ready. Food gives us energy to work and play and help our body to grow. Okay, we should eat balanced diet which contain all kinds of nutrients. Okay, we should eat such a food which keep us healthy and help us to fight against diseases. രോഗങ്ങളെ ചെറുത്ത് നിൽക്കാനുള്ള കഴിവ്, രോഗങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കഴിവ് ആർക്കുണ്ട്? ഹെൽത്തി ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസിനുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ വി ഷുഡ് ഈറ്റ് ഹെൽത്തി ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് യുവർ പ്രോപ്പർ ഗ്രോത്ത് ആൻഡ് help to fight against diseases. Avoid contaminated food items, bad food items and bacteria food items. So most of all diseases spread. രോഗം വരുന്നത് എന്തിലൂടെയാണ്? Food infection. Okay, you hear that, food infection. Okay, food infection and spread through the contaminated food items. Okay, this is the chapter, enough to chapter, and it's time for wind up your class. You should read this chapter in 5 times. Okay, first to last, not exercise. No, you should read this in 5 times. And if anybody have any doubt, you can ask me and share me. I will clear you. Okay, so this is the end of our topic, our food. So it's time for wind upping. I miss you all. Then thank you. Bye. See you next time.